Welcome everyone. Today, we are reviewing the 2025 Honda XRM 150 Dual Sport, a motorcycle designed to perform both on city streets and on challenging off-road trails. Engine and performance. The Honda XRM 150 is powered by a 149 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, SOHC, air-cooled engine. It produces around 12.5 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 13.4 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. The bike comes with PGM-FI fuel injection, a 5-speed gearbox, and both electric and kickstart options, making it reliable and fuel-efficient. Design and body. The design is sporty and practical. A high-mounted front fender and angular LED headlight give it a rugged dual sport look. It comes with a fully digital instrument panel that shows gear position, fuel level, odometer, and trip meter. The bike has 243mm ground clearance and an 830mm seat height, with a light weight of only 124 kilograms. Suspension and brakes. For comfort and handling, the front suspension uses telescopic forks. The rear suspension features a ProLink monoshock system. Braking is strong with front and rear wave-type disc brakes, supported by 21-inch front and 18-inch rear dual sport tires. Fuel tank and mileage. The XRM 150 comes with a 12-liter fuel tank. It delivers around 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, giving you a riding range of over 500 kilometers on a full tank, perfect for both city and long rides. Extra features. This motorcycle is designed for utility and adventure. Ideal for daily commuting, cargo, and farm use. Equally capable for off-road exploring and weekend fun rides. A balanced mix of power, durability, and versatility. Price. In the Philippines, 100,000 Cuban pesos, 115,000 Cuban pesos if imported to Pakistan, around 5.0 to 5.5 lakh PKR. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XRM 150 Dual Sport is more than just a motorcycle. It's a reliable partner for work, travel, and adventure. If you're looking for a bike that can handle both city traffic and off-road challenges, the Honda XRM 150 is an excellent choice. Like, share and subscribe to Turbo Rider.